everyone. In our previous lecture, we have seen about the init repository. What is it? Init local repository. So now I'm going to show you how to initiate your local repository. So just let's see here. So I'm just going to change my directory. So my is in D drive, so I'm just changing it. So change directory is CD, so I'm giving CD, and then say desktop, and then again CD, AI Alchemy, so I give it up. Now it's again CD and Git. So this is my folder, and now we are going to see how to initiate the repository. So before doing initialization of the repository, let's see what version of GitHub we have. So Git version, this is the syntax for it. So you could see the version of the GitHub, that is 2.32.0. So that is the latest version. Now I'm going to initiate it as a local repository. So I'm just going init, and then I'm going to give git init. See here, I've reinitialized because I've already initialized it. So it says reinitialized, or if you're initializing it for the first time, it says initialized. So once I have initialized it, I already have two code files in it. So you can see it as Git Status. So when you see a Git status here, see here, it says that you are on master branch. So I'll give you a description of it in more detail in the later stage. So, and says I have not done any commits yet. So commits is nothing but saving some changes. So the files here, so we have two types of files, which is tracked files and untracked files. So which I'll be showing you, giving you a brief about it in later stages. So here you could see I have two files. So nothing is added. So in order to commit, right, we need to add the files. So once we add the files, that is when we can commit the changes. So yeah, till now, just understand Git status is to know what kind of files you have, whether it's a tracked file or untracked file. I'll see you in the next class and explain you more in detail about what your tracked files or untracked files are. And yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.